Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to get into Scratch. I'm sure you know how to do it, or you could follow any of a bunch of directions, but here you go. First thing you do is to do Scratch, scratch.mit.edu, and hit return. I'm using Chrome, by the way. Okay, once you get here, you'll see a bunch of things that you will actually use the create to get inside, and that'll be the next video. But right now, let me show you how to join Scratch, because you might as well. It's free, and it's a nice deal. So choose a Scratch new username. So I'm going to choose SuperSOLV, say, and it says don't use your real name. That's fine. And remember, don't tell anybody else, and create a password. So XXXZZZ, say I'm just XXXZZZ. You have to confirm it. You hit next, and then you have to put a birth month and year. So month, okay. How about February? How about year 2000 or something? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Gender, one of the two, hopefully, and a country, USA. You got a whole bunch of other ones. Next, we go, you have to get a legal email address. So I will put one in here, and you have to confirm it. CST.net, okay. And you might as well get some updates and stuff, and you do that. Now, what's going to happen is they're going to send you an email. Either your parents or we will send. Why isn't it doing this? Oh, it's still looking around. See, it's testing here to see if in fact you have a legit email. Now you go to the email and it'll tell you to send it back and so forth, and then you can start. Okay, so that's the end. I'll get out of this. And again, your whole idea here, you will have an account. And once you have an account, and one thing, I'll tell you this 2 or 3 times, but you might as well learn it now. The stuff you save, and it's automatically saved whenever you change things, will be private to you. Now, you have the opportunity to share it, and you can see all these projects down here that are shared. You can share those, but once you share it with the world. Anybody can see it. So there's no in between. You can't share it with just one other person or other friends. It's private or it's shared for the world. So and they monitor this very carefully. So if you do some things that are offensive, they will stop it. And you notice that there are now 37,156,601 projects shared. So there's a lot of things in here. In fact, I would urge you to hit the explore and see what some of these characters are doing. About 90% of them are pretty dumb, but a lot of them are really clever. So anyway, go to the next video and we will explore Scratch.